Hey guys, I'm Nihan Acharya and I'm back with another video today. The topic for today is rounded shoulders, or what some may call as mom shoulders. Now before I hear any sexist comments out there, let me explain why it's called as mom shoulders. You see, during pregnancy, the mother's body undergoes a variety of changes in order to accommodate the child, or in order to prepare the body of the mother to sustain the new born. So out of the variety of changes that occur in the female's body, the change that we are going to be talking more, or that we are going to highlight right now, is that there's going to be a change in the upper body posture, or the thoracic kyphosis. That is, we will see an increasing arch of the body. That is a part of the anatomical changes obviously occurring in the female. That is a topic that we're not going to be discussing right now. Before we move on, let's talk about what posture means. If you take an imaginary line from the tip of your forehead to the bottom of your feet, it will pass through your ears, through your shoulders, or slightly anterior to your humerus, slightly, not much, then through your hip joint, that is through your femoral neck or greater trochanter, then through your patella in your knees, and then down to the feet. What happens is, basically any alterations in the body mechanics will lead to change or displacement of this line of gravity forward or backwards, which will lead to another biomechanical change that will compensate for this change. I'll give you an example. The perfect example for this is a small kid carrying a school bag. Imagine the kid carrying a heavy bag. Now that is the most common reason actually for rounded shoulder in kids. Imagine a kid carrying a heavy bag. So the weight of the bag is going to bring the center of gravity backwards. So this will cause your body to compensate by moving slightly anteriorly. Over a period of time, what is going to happen is the child is going to develop a stoop posture. Rounded shoulders are also more commonly seen in females due to the weight distribution. That obviously does not mean that it's not seen in men. Another cause for having rounded shoulders is prolonged sitting with a slouched posture on your PC or reading books. There could be a variety of reasons. Gymmers also face the problem of rounded shoulders, which is in another form that we called as upper cross syndrome. Now this syndrome is characterized by the tightening of the anterior muscles, that is your pectoralis muscles, and your trapezius muscles, which leads to the shoulder being pulled forward. As you can see, there is a slight arch formed. Okay, I have been speaking about posture, but what is rounded shoulder exactly? Rounded shoulder isn't actually the curvature of your shoulders as one might commonly think. It is actually referring to the placement of your shoulder with relation to your line of gravity. Here's a simple way to find out if you have a rounded shoulder. You can try this at home too. What I want you to do is form a thumbs up with both your hands obviously, and keep them beside your thighs in a relaxed position. Okay, now if your thumbs are facing forwards, well, you have a perfect shoulder. But if it is directed slightly inwards, as you can see, my shoulders are coming slightly anteriorly. You could see better this way. This is a rounded shoulder, and this is a proper posture. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about a few techniques which will help in fixing this posture. You can try this at home or anywhere else, probably even in your office or whenever you're free. You must be wondering, what if I have a rounded shoulder? I don't need a proper posture to look fabulous, right? But that's where you're wrong. As you know, that posture works on a combination of multiple joints. The alteration of one single joint is going to lead to an alteration in your entire posture, and this could lead to problems in the future like low back pain, sciatica, tightened hamstrings. A rounded shoulder is going to affect your whole body posture, thereby it's going to make you look bad in almost anything that you wear. Let's be honest, that's exactly what we want, right? To look good in whatever we wear. You see, a person with a rounded shoulder posture will look like this, and a person who has a proper posture is gonna look something like this. So what do you want to look like? If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you'll have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you'll have any suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section. Even in my last video, I requested people to let me know if I need any changes. However, I did not get any replies or response for that. So thank you so much for watching this video.